Hey there, Togomo here. So I'll be showing you real quick how to set up the Holosun HE510C green dot. So the green dot is gonna come in a box like this, and you got the instructions here. Got the little cloth to clean the lens. It comes with an Allen wrench, and then it also comes with a spare battery compartment and this thing right here. So now what you want to do is actually remove the screws right here, and with the Allen wrench that it comes with. Once the battery compartment is out, you want to place the battery, the positive facing down. If you put it the other way, it's not gonna work. And go ahead and put it back in there. So you hear that snap, and then put the screws back in there. Okay, so now I have all the two screws tightened up over here. And now we're gonna go over the power functions. So the plus button is the one that turns on the reticle, and if you press it once like that, it turns it on. Here you guys can see the reticle, and let me adjust the focus here. So that's what it looks like in person. In order to turn off the reticle, you press both buttons simultaneously like that, and that should turn off the reticle itself. In order to adjust the brightness, you want to press the plus or button or minus button depending on how bright you want it to be. So press it until you have your desired brightness. And then if you want to turn on the automatic brightness, which will adjust the reticle depending on the lighting in your environment, you want to press and hold the plus button for 3 seconds, and then you're gonna see a blink, and that's your automatic brightness there. And then in order to change the reticle, there are 3 different reticles. What you'll want to do is press and hold the minus button to change the reticles. Press and hold it for a few seconds, and then you'll see it change to the next one and to the next one. So it just keeps going in a cycle. And then of course once you have your selected reticle, then you will just depress the button. In order to turn off the automatic brightness, you just press the plus or minus, whichever one you want, and that will automatically put it on manual mode. To access the timer of the optic, that means if you want it to be on for 10 minutes, 1 hour, 12 hours, or turn it off, what you'll want to do is actually a pretty tricky process, so it's going to take me a couple of tries probably. But you want to hold the plus for about 3 seconds and turn on the automatic function, and then as soon as you see the first blink, you want to depress the plus, press it again, hold it, and hold it for about 10 seconds, and that should turn on, that should show you another blink, and that's when you access the length setting. So let me show you here. I actually want to change my reticle right now. So press the plus button for 3 seconds, let go, press it again, hold it, keep holding it until you see the second blink. And it didn't work. So let's do it again. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. Depress, press it again, hold it for 10 seconds. until you see the second blink. There you go. Once you see that blink, you're in the length setting. So if you press the plus button or the minus, it will tell you which or how long the reticle will be on. So one blink is 10 minutes, 2 blinks is 1 hour, 3 blinks is 12 hours, 4 blinks is turn off the timer. And then to save the setting, you want to press both buttons as if you turn it off, and that should save the setting, and it should keep it in the memory. Alright, so in order to mount it onto your rifle or onto the rail of whatever gun you're going to put it on, you're going to want to press this little part right here and then move the lever to flip it open. Otherwise, if you do not press that part, it's locked and it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna move. So you want to open that up. And then you want to grab your rail and put it on there. And just make sure that it's aligned and you have it where you want it. And then just flip the lever until it closes, until it latches. And it should be secured there. And then in order to zero it when you go to the range, to zero the optic, you're going to want to use this tool that the optic comes with, and it just goes into this part right here. You can use it to adjust the height and adjust the windage here on the side. There you go. So yeah, this little tool right here comes with it, and that's what it actually is for. Thanks a lot for watching. Check out my channel for other videos like for flashlights and other things that I review and certain topics that I talk about. I'll probably be doing more optics in the future. Some of the optics that some friends might borrow me, and hopefully if I have the time, some flashlights. And we'll catch you on the next one.